This video is going to tell you how to clean up the sales table. This turns out to be really important because there are over 1,000 bad records in the sales table that have to be cleaned up before you can even begin the analysis of the sales table using pivot tables. So let's begin. First thing I'm going to do is download the file and open it in Excel. All right, there we go. I'm going to turn it into a table, which is really important. Notice that there are 9,938 records to start with. We're going to have quite a few less than that when we're all done. And now I've got to begin cleaning it up. So a couple of things to clean it up. First thing I want to do is eliminate duplicate records. It turns out that that's built into Excel. If I go to the Data tab and click on Remove Duplicates, it comes up and it's asking me which fields do you want to match on. Well, I want to match on every field except timestamp because obviously one person could not have bought the same thing at exactly the same time, but they could have bought the same thing, right? Meaning their email and the app are all the same. So I'll click on that, and it noticed that it found 296 duplicate values found and removed. Those are gone. All right, and then I'll scroll back up to the top. Data's still there. It's just it takes you to the end when it does the removal. All right, so that was step one. Step two is let's get rid of apps that are obviously wrong. And it turned out that one of the things that people forgot to do was change the app name to the name of their app. I can easily get rid of that by clicking in the app column, uncheck select all, scroll down and find the column that says app name that they didn't change, click OK. And these are all, unfortunately, sales that we're going to lose because people did not, there's a lot of them, did not do the app name thing. So change it to the actual name of their app. So they don't want to go. There we go. All the way up. And then I will start right click. Oh, it's being a pain. Let's try one more time. There we go. Delete row. So those are gone. Now, very importantly, between every step here, you have to take off the filter. So I'm going to clear the filter. Otherwise, you won't see the records again. Now I'm going to go to the email column. This is where it gets really important because we're going to look at brand new functionality. If I click this drop down here, you'll notice that one of the options here is a text filter. That's going to turn out to be wonderful because that's going to show us bad emails. So we want to see emails that end with, right? And specifically, we don't just want to see end with, we want to say does not end with. So I'm going to scroll down until I find that. I want every email that does not end with @ohio.edu because those would all be bad emails. Click OK and then scroll up and you'll see there's a lot of them. The next step, right, some of these are actual blanks and some of them are just bad emails. Blanks meaning people didn't even put in their email. I'm going to sort these to try to get them all in order. There we go. So here's the bad emails, and you can actually see why these are bad. And then the blanks are down below. Can't do anything about the blanks, right? Those are all lost sales. So we're going to blow those away. Delete. Scroll back up. But I can do something about the guys on top. So this one here looks like an OU email with the aim.com. That should have been @ohio.edu. I'm going to edit it up here. And then I would edit once and then pull it down to get the rest of them that are the same, like that, right? And similarly, you can fix the others. So I'll assume that you did. And I'm going to go on to the next thing. I'm going to clear that filter. And now I'm going to come over to the URL. Here the problem is even more serious. More people made mistakes here than they did with their emails. So I'm going to click on the text filter, and this time we want something that begins with, right? And we want does not begin with in particular, so I'll scroll down until I find that. So I want to see any URL that does not begin with http://sites.google.com/site/. The reason that's key is because I know that every site should begin with that, or it should begin with exactly the same thing. So I'll copy that. But it could be HTTPS because that's also legal, meaning S for secure connection. So either of those is good. So either does not begin with, let me find that here also. All right, so it does not begin with this, and if it does not begin with this and it does not begin with that, then it's a bad record. You're probably wondering why I didn't click OR. Because of the negatives, it actually has to be an AND. Click OK, and it pulls up a boatload of records here. And now let's look at the kinds of problems that people ran into. First, let's sort it, because that'll make it easier. When we fix one, then we can fix multiple ones. So here, I'm not sure what happened with these. This, I would just delete those records. Same thing here, delete these, because those don't look like salvageable Gmail addresses. Not quite sure why. So I'll scroll down. All right, and then delete. Oh, it's that right click is just killing me today. Try that again. Okay, you delete them. I give up. All right, and then, but the ones that I wanted to show you are the ones that you can fix. So for example, this one. Here the person just left off the /site, so I can fix that. I can put /site/, and they also added an extra test on the end here. I'll take that off. So I fix one, and then by clicking the fill handle and dragging it down, I can fix, it's just not my day for dragging, I can fix there. No, I can't. It's killing me. Okay, there we go. I can fix the others. So I'll scroll down until I find, there we go. There, that fixed that one. Then I'd go for the next one. Same problem here. They left off the /site, and there'll be different problems with different URLs. If you can fix it, right? And then copy the fix down. So that should do it. Good luck with the assignment.